Want to use a web browser on your Apple Watch? By doing this, you can view websites right from your wrist with a few simple steps. In this video, I'll show you how to use the web browser on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, make sure to install the Watch Browser app. To do that, open the App Store on your Apple Watch. Search Browser. Now tap on the Watch Browser, iBrowser. Install it. Now go to the home screen. Scroll down and find the iBrowser app. Open the app. Scroll down a little bit. After that, here you can enter any web address like wikipedia.com or anything. Or if you want to search your specific topic, then you can search here by tapping search box. Now type or speak your topic, and here it is. This is how you can use the web browser on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.